In this video, I just wanted to introduce the project that I'm working on right now. And what I'm doing is I'm installing a front locker in my Suzuki Samurai. I'm installing this Spartan Locker, and I'm also using some 26 spine chrome moly axles. These are long field axles. And I'm replacing every bearing and every seal in the front axle. I have a differential rebuild kit and a knuckle rebuild kit. So doing a project like this, like installing a front locker with chrome moly axles, is kind of pricey. This all costs about it was $1,033 total, and that's not even including the side gears that you'll need. So even though it's a bit pricey, having a front locker is going to be a game changer. I've never ran one myself, but I've seen out there on the trails what kind of difference it makes, and yeah, I think it's going to be worth $1,000. Okay, so this is the Knuckle Rebuild Kit from Low Range Off-Road. It has your seals that go around the, I don't know what that round thing is, but the knuckle seals, I guess. And so this kit comes with these seals. It comes with wheel bearings and then the hardware, like the two locking nuts and the washer that has those bending tabs on it. It comes with the inner axle seal. That's these two seals right here. It comes with, this is the wheel seals, and these are the kingpin bearings right here. And I didn't know this either. This is this seal for like the, I guess the locking hub. So that's what comes in the Knuckle Rebuild Kit. The next thing we have here is a differential install kit. And I mean, it's exactly what it is. It has a crush sleeve, the two bearings for the differential carrier. Oh, that's these two, and then these two are the pinion bearings. They give you this extra seal for the pinion. I think it's supposed to be like a better sealed or something. This right here is a solid pinion spacer. That way you don't have to crush the crush sleeve, because that's really not fun to do. Like, I feel like I'm going to break my tools, and you know, this one you could use the shims to adjust the preload, and I'm not really sure what the torque specs are, but I'll have to get into that later. I've never used one before. Okay, right here I ordered these also. These are the pinion. These are the bushings that go inside the spindle. And right here I have a Spartan Locker. It's a little lunchbox style locker, and that's all it is. Oh, they give you new pins. I didn't know that. New cross pins. But you have to have 26 spine spider gears to run that. And look what I happen to have. So this isn't included in the overall price, but I bought, like, those two kits include like every seal and every bearing and the whole differential that I know of, the whole front axle that I know of. I'll include two little short clips of examples of when I needed a front locker, when it would help. Wow. Well, I just kind of figured out something. Just made a discovery. That gear is the same, so if you use the regular 20 whatever spline, the smaller ones, that looks like you could use either one. Okay, whatever. So that's your Spartan Locker. Look how simple it is. And last but not least, I have a set of, okay, so these are 26 spine chrome moly axles. These are long field axles. Kind of pricey, but I guess they all are. They come in new burr fields. Okay, so this is the long field axle compared to a stock front axle. The difference is 0.88 inches versus 1 inch. the new long field, these axles are pretty much, that's pretty much the skinniest part. It measures 101. Pretty much, well, now it's 102, whatever, but compared to that even fit loose, so compared to 88. And the smallest part might actually be right here. Okay, well, I might as well measure it then. Okay, no, that's not the smallest part. That's not, it's measured like 90 or whatever. These are also made out of moly, which is supposed to be a stronger material. Part of the reason I went ahead and decided to do a full rebuild was the kingpin that was loose, and these burr fields are starting to make noise. I think they were making noise. When I would turn out here clicking just like a front wheel drive car, I'm pretty sure it was these. It was these joints right here. So you can see how loose they are. Okay, so you want to compare that to the new burr field. It has absolutely no play at all. So that's what it should, you know, that just shows how loose that one is. So this is the new burr field joint. It even says, well, it says long field. I thought it said burr field. If you look it up, they do a stress test on this type of axle with some kind of machine, and the results were something like this one broke at 2,000 foot-pounds of torque, and this type of axle broke at 4,000 foot-pounds of torque. So it's quite a bit of a difference. Total price for all these parts was $1,033, and that's not including the price to get 26 spine side gears. These are actually expensive. They're trying to sell them for $69 a piece. So here's where I'm at on the project. I have the whole third member taken apart, halfway cleaned, and I have the rest of the parts laying on the ground. Okay, so that about covers everything. And I just want to end this video by saying that I'll be posting videos of putting everything back together in the near future. And you can find those videos on my channel.